Be extremely careful. A file named FileCrack is often malicious or flagged by antivirus. However, sometimes it is just a text file containing a serial number. Open it in a sandbox or Notepad only. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect it safely. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single crack file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. A crack file, designated as risk and text view, likely contains textual data related to software vulnerabilities or security assessments. It may include exploit code, vulnerability reports, or instructions for bypassing software protections. Due to its nature, handling crack files requires extreme caution to prevent potential security risks. The internal structure of a crack file is typically plain text, allowing for easy examination and modification. However, the content itself may be obfuscated or encoded to hinder analysis. Risk and text view files often contain specific keywords or patterns associated with known vulnerabilities or exploits. To open crack correctly, try Text Editor first. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows cannot display runtime instructions, so proper verification relies on trusted tools. Your initial diagnostic check, right-click the crack file and choose Open With. Start with Text Editor if installed. If it's missing, select another program. The right compatibility hook exists somewhere. When a crack file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the crack format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, recognize the file type. Understand that the crack file is often a generic data file and cannot be opened directly by the user. Next, open as text. Open the crack file in a text editor, Notepad, to view the raw content, which may contain instructions or configuration data. Finally, run associated program. If the file is part of a program, run the associated executable file that automatically loads the crack file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.